we also don't need these lines, we can get rid of that and that. There's a little line in there. We want that one, and we need another from here to the root diameter. Trim, and there's our tooth, which we can So the magical task now is to select the move tool, select, turn off the snap, and select a tooth, move, find our center, and we're going to create a pattern. This time we are going all the way around, so once it starts to multiply, there you go. Tab, 45 degrees, tab, tab, count, 20. Trim. And that is the end of part 3. Please subscribe. Bye for now. Bye.